Over 3 billion people use Meta apps every single month. Yet, most businesses are still managing Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp the hard way. Posting here, replying there, and checking ads somewhere else. It's messy, it's time consuming, and honestly, it's costing you money. But what if I told you there is one single dashboard that lets you manage everything? Posts, messages, ads, insights, and scheduling for Facebook and Instagram all in one place, helping you save time and grow your business faster. Hey everyone, Nandakishore here. I'm a digital marketer and content creator. I'm using Meta Business Suite since it's launched. Today, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to manage your social media like a pro. Welcome to the ultimate Meta Business Suite tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to use Meta Business Suite to manage your entire Meta ecosystem, from content creation and post scheduling to inbox automation, analytics, running basic ads, and tracking business growth, all from one powerful dashboard. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp from one powerful dashboard, track performance with real-time insights and data, stay organized, consistent, and scalable without burning out. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, and finally take control of your Meta platforms, let's get started. So what exactly is Meta Business Suite? Meta Business Suite is a centralized platform to help you manage your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp management together in one single dashboard. Instead of jumping between apps, you get everything in one single place. And the best part, it's completely free. You don't need to pay for any third-party tools. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to access and set up your Meta Business Suite. So accessing Meta Business Suite is really simple. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Just type business.facebook.com and hit enter. Now, before we continue, you need two things to use Meta Business Suite. Number one, a Facebook business page, not your personal profile, but a business page. If you don't have one yet, you can create it for free from your Facebook account. I have another tutorial on that. I'll provide the video link in the description box below. You can check it out. Number two, an Instagram business or creator account. A regular personal Instagram account won't work here. You need to convert it to a business account, which is also free and takes a couple of minutes. If you got both, perfect. Let us set this up. Just type business.facebook.com, hit enter. Log in with your Facebook account. Great. So this is your Meta Business Suite dashboard. Alright, let me give you a quick tour of this dashboard so you know where everything is. You have notification. Here you can see all your Facebook page and Instagram account activities. Then we have planner to plan your marketing calendar for creating, scheduling, and managing your content. We have options to create more content, which shows you a history of everything you have posted, including drafts. Insights lets you understand how well your content is performing. Inbox lets you access your clients' messages or comments on your posts across platforms. Monetization helps you track your earnings on your content, subscriptions, and stars. Ads, create simple ad setup and manage for boosted content or individual ads, and all the tools and features to manage your business social media marketing. Now, if you're managing multiple business portfolios, then you can switch to your preferred account from here. I'll show you another way how you can arrive at the Meta Business Suite dashboard. From your Facebook business page, at the top right corner, click on your profile and select the business page you want to manage. Then on the left hand side, you can see Meta Business Suite. If you click, that's going to take you to Meta Business Suite dashboard. Cool, right? You can connect assets. Apparently, I have connected my Facebook and Instagram business account. If you connect your WhatsApp business account, then that would show up here. If you're wondering how I connected my Instagram account, don't worry, I'll show you. I have this business portfolio. Here, I'm yet to connect my Instagram account. It says connect Instagram. Simply click on it and you'll get this pop-up. It says after connecting your Facebook page to Instagram, people who manage the page or Instagram account will be able to manage tasks for both profiles. Depending on people's assigned access, these tasks may include these. So click on login to Instagram. If you don't have one, go ahead and create your Instagram business account and then come back here and connect it to have a seamless connected experience. Also, you can see the number of followers on both of your accounts. Down here, you have the options to create posts, reels, story, or you can even go live. And if you click on more, you can create ads, post reel across pages, and bulk upload reels. Alright, now let's get to the fun part, actually creating and publishing content. This is where Meta Business Suite really shines because you can create posts for both Facebook and Instagram from one single place. Let me show you how. You see this big blue create post button. Let's click on that. Perfect. So this is your post creation interface. Now the first thing you need to decide is where do you want to post this? If you go to post to and click this drop down, you will see these checkboxes for Facebook and Instagram. Here you can choose the profiles that you want to post your content. By default, Meta has already selected both Facebook page and Instagram business account. This is super convenient. One post, two platforms saves so much time. Apparently, you can also create content and post to other Facebook groups. For this demo, let me select both the platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Great. Now let's create the actual post. First, your caption. Under the post details, we have the option to customize the post for Facebook and Instagram. Let's enable that. And I'm going to add the caption for Facebook. Now here is a tip. Facebook and Instagram have different caption styles. Facebook captions can be longer and more detailed. However, Instagram captions works better when they are concise with good hashtags. Then let's click on Instagram tab and add the caption specifically for Instagram. As mentioned, you can't add clickable links in Instagram captions. So let's remove that. You can also add location to your Instagram post. If you go to Facebook tab, we have more options for Facebook. You can add feelings or activity. You can add a location. This is great for local businesses. Just click add location and search for your business or city. Select and hit save. Get messages on Messenger. This basically adds a button like this. Similarly, get messages on WhatsApp. And you can do A/B testing. It's only available to Facebook posts, but you should turn off the post customization to enable this feature. And you can also add a custom link. You can add hashtags directly in your caption or Meta Business Suite as a hashtag suggestion feature. Just start typing hashtag and it will suggest popular hashtags based on your content. You can even click hashtag here and it shows popular, recently used and saved hashtags. You can click this to save your hashtags so that it would show up here and then you can reuse them. And if you want, you can also search here. Let me add a few hashtags. You can click add, it will be added to your post. Alright, under the media section, let's add a photo or video because honestly, posts with visuals perform way better than text only posts. Click on add photo or video. I'll quickly add a poster. Remember, you can add up to 10 photos or videos. Perfect. Your image is now uploaded. Now look at this preview. This shows exactly how your post will appear on Facebook and Instagram. Pretty cool, right? Now I want to show you another cool feature. If you navigate to media and click edit photo, you have more tools to edit photo. You can crop to different dimensions, add filters. You can also add additional text onto your image. You can even get creative by adding stickers. And here is something important, alt text. This is a text description of your image for accessibility. It helps people using screen readers understand what's in your image and it's also good for SEO. Now before we publish, let me show you a few more options you might want to use. You can tag products and people. This is useful when people see products tagged in your post. They can click on tap on those tags to start shopping. When you tag people, this post may be shared with both them and their friends. Then if you scroll down, you can add a collaborator. For demo, I'll search for Meta and that's what the post is about. If Meta accepts this post, their name will automatically appear on this post and it will be shown on Meta page or profile. It's super useful if you're collaborating with someone or featuring a partner. Alright, now we have two options. We can either publish this post right now or we can schedule it for later. If you click finish later, it will be saved under draft. Let's say if you want to post it immediately, just click publish and boom. It goes live on both Facebook and Instagram right away. But if you want to schedule it for a specific time, which I highly recommend, toggle this and choose your date. Let's say I want to post this tomorrow at 10 a.m. Here is a pro tip. Meta Business Suite actually suggests the best time to post based on what your audience is most active. So click on active times to show your audience the most active times. Use those suggestions. They are based on your actual analytics. Once you have selected your date and time, you can scroll down and click schedule. And there you go, your post is now scheduled. It will automatically publish on both Facebook and Instagram. So the post will be posted based on the active times we have selected. You don't have to remember to post it manually. Meta Business Suite handles it for you. So once you publish, you will come directly to Planner. Here you can view and manage the history of content you have already posted, or you can plan to post at a specific date and time. Now let me quickly show you the different types of content you can create. Let's click on Home. We have discussed about creating posts, but you are not just limited to regular feed posts. Look at the options here. Post, this is what we just created. Regular posts that appear in the Facebook feed. You can create reels. You can create short form video content. This is huge on Instagram right now. Reels get the most reach in 2026. You can do the same thing here. Upload your reel content, add caption, and follow the next steps to publish. Let's scroll back. You can create story to post on Facebook and Instagram. These disappear after 24 hours. Great for behind the scenes content or quick updates. For stories and reels, the process is similar. You click the option, upload your video or photo, and either publish or schedule. Alright, so that's content creation and publishing. Pretty straightforward, right? By the way, I'm curious, how is this video feeling so far? If you're liking, then do me a favor, hit that like button. It really motivates me to create more useful tutorials for free. And if you want more practical digital marketing tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now click on Ads and click Create Ads at the top right corner. And that's going to bring you to this interface. You can choose a goal based on your business requirement. For instance, I'll click Get More Website Visitors. Then you should enter your ad details. This is super easy and quick for beginners or business owners to run ads across Meta platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Now, for your information, I want you to know that this isn't a full-fledged ads manager. For simple ads and boosting posts, Meta Business Suite makes it super easy. However, if you want to run complex ad campaigns with advanced targeting and multiple ad sets, you will need to use Ads Manager, and you can access that from here. Okay, I'm not going to go deeper into running advanced ads with Meta Ads Manager. If you're interested in learning more about Meta Ads Manager, check out the link to a dedicated video on Meta Ads tutorial linked in the description. Okay, now let's go to Home section. And here under To-Do list, you'll get the latest updates about unread messages and comments that may require your immediate attention. I don't have any unread messages or comments right now. Otherwise, it would show up here. Down below, you have a weekly plan, and these are recommended tasks from Meta. And by completing tasks, you help your business grow on Meta platform. For instance, publish one ad. You may also see like publish one story or publish one post, something like that. You can also see the full plan from here. Below, you have manage your marketing content. You can quickly access your recent posts, stories, ads. If we scroll further down, you can invite people from your personal profile to follow your Facebook page. Now let's click on Inbox. This is where you can access all your messages and comments across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. You can access all messages here and messages from Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp business account. It should be connected so that you can view all conversations here, and you can also check comments from Facebook and Instagram. If we look at the messages, we can mark it as done, and we can also mark it as follow-up. You can also reply to messages from here, and you have more options here. You can attach a file, insert a saved reply, post a sticker, create an order, and also send a like. And we can see more details about this contact. And interesting thing is that this is a basic CRM which Meta offers to manage your leads. You can add more details about this contact by clicking here. You can add phone number, email address, date of birth, and address. Below this, you can see details about this Facebook profile if it's available. Under activity, you have these recommendations. You can create an order and enter the details. And remember, when you create an order, an invoice will be sent to this contact in Messenger. Then if you feel that this is a potential lead, you can simply click on Mark as Lead. Now this contact has been added to our sales pipeline, and we can access your sales pipeline in the Lead Center. If we click here, these are the different stages of your sales pipeline. You can also add labels. If you want a custom label, just click on Manage Labels and enter your label. And you can keep track of your important customer interactions by adding a note here. You can also set a reminder. Probably it's helpful to change the sales pipeline stages. Now let's go to All Tools and click on Lead Center. That brings us to this interface. This is your sales pipeline. It's customer relationship management from Meta. This right here is the contact we have added as lead under intake. For instance, this contact is interested in buying our services. What I'll do is simply move it to qualified stage. And once they have paid and purchased our services, we can then move it to converted. And anyways, you can also add custom stages. And you can see your pipeline in table view. But I like this pipeline view as this shows you the different stages in your customer buying journey. On the top right, you have the option to create lead or upload leads. You can also get leads in Messenger and get leads with an instant form. Anyways, if you are interested to learn more about Meta CRM, then I'll add a dedicated video link in the description. Feel free to check it out. Now let's talk about the content planner, which is where you can schedule, publish, manage, posts and stories and more. You can see here published posts, scheduled, drafts, expiring, expired. You can boost posts and turn your organic content into paid content and see additional metrics like watch time, average watch time, reach, comments, shares, likes and reactions. Also, you can see the published dates. Another interesting thing is that you can create posts from here as well. If you click this drop down, you can create story, bulk upload reels, and post reels across pages, and even you can go live. You can export data to make detailed analysis about your content performance. And this is really useful to make informed decisions for your business. Next, let's go to Planner. To view your posts in calendar view, you can also change it to monthly view to see the monthly content activities. You can set a goal to increase the reach or grow followers. You can also create drafts from here. You can filter the content type and share to the platforms you want. Now let's talk about one of the most important features, insights and analytics. This is where you actually see if your social media efforts are working or not, what content is performing, who is your audience, when are they most active, all of that is right here. How do you access this? You can simply access it from here, Insights. Perfect. So this is your Insights dashboard. It might look overwhelming at first with all these numbers and graphs, but don't worry, I'll break it down exactly what matters. Alright, let's start with the overview metric at the top. You will see cards showing most important numbers. You can see the performance in terms of views, interactions, profile visits, and number of followers. If you're running ads, then you should see the performance of your ads here. If you navigate to results, then you can set a goal and track performance. If you click on audience, it shows the total number of followers and their demographic details. Now let's look at your content performance. Here you can see your content overview. It shows the views and watch time of different post types for organic and paid content. Below it shows the top content by views, top content formats and audience retention. If you navigate to all tools, you have additional tools to engage with your audience, advertise, analyze and report, sell products and services, take appointments and orders, and manage your billing and payments, and more useful tools. Now I want to show you another important settings. Let's click on settings down here. And this is where you can manage access to people to your Meta Business Suite. Let's say you want to give access to your team or external social media manager. You can invite them from here. Just click invite people and you can enter their email and Meta will send an invite to manage your business portfolio. I'm not going to go deeper into this right now. However, I'll leave a link to a dedicated video in the description on managing Meta Business Manager. Feel free to check it out. Alright guys, we have covered a lot in this tutorial. Honestly, Meta Business Suite is a game changer for anyone managing social media. What used to take hours jumping between apps now takes minutes in just one dashboard. Alright, this tutorial helped you understand Meta Business Suite. Please hit that like button and share it with your friends or colleagues. It really helps this video reach more people who need it. Subscribe to this channel for more practical digital marketing tutorials like this one. I create content every week to help you grow your online presence. And drop a comment below if you have any questions related to Meta Business Suite. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads and digital marketing, check out my other tutorials in the description box below. And follow me on Instagram at digital_RNK. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Nandakishore and I'll see you in the next video.